Welcome to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, we focus on the pepper market, where domestic prices in India remain steady, while Vietnam sees a continuous upward trend. As of August 23, pepper prices in key Indian markets such as Kerala and Karnataka have stabilized after a recent decline of 1,000 Indian rupees to 1,200 per quintal over the past 8 to 10 sessions. This price drop has led to reduced selling activity, providing some support to the market. In Kochi, ungarbled pepper is priced at 64,300 Indian rupees per quintal, garbled pepper at 66,300 Indian rupees per quintal, and 500 GL pepper at 63,300 Indian rupees per quintal. In Karnataka, prices range from 64,200 Indian rupees to 66,500 Indian rupees per quintal. Meanwhile, in Vietnam, pepper prices are on the rise, fluctuating between 143,000 Vietnamese dongs and 145,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. This increase of 1,000 Vietnamese dongs to 2,000 comes despite a significant drop of 50,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram from recent highs, primarily due to a sharp decline in export demand. Additionally, expectations of reduced Chinese demand in July have exerted further downward pressure on prices. The domestic crop outlook in India remains favorable, with ample rainfall reported in major growing areas of Kerala and Karnataka. Similarly, Vietnam's key pepper growing regions have also received good rains, which are likely to support crop development. On the global front, pepper prices are generally stable, with a slight uptick observed in Indonesia. With global supply limited and new crop arrivals still 3 months away, prices are expected to remain well supported in the coming weeks. Let's take a look at the current pepper prices in key regions. In Kochi, ungarbled pepper is priced at 64,300 Indian rupees per quintal, garbled pepper at 66,300 Indian rupees per quintal, and 500 GL pepper at 63,300 Indian rupees per quintal. In Karnataka, prices range between 64,200 Indian rupees and 66,500 Indian rupees per quintal. In the global market, the FOB codes for black pepper are as follows. Brazil Asta, 6,300 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 500 GL, 5,800 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 550 GL, 6,200 United States dollars per metric ton. Indonesia Asta, 7,490 United States dollars per metric ton. Malaysia, Ringgit 8,500 per metric ton. That's all for today's update on the pepper market. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more insights and analysis on global commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.